mentorforce.com.
Hi students, many students have already applied JEE Mains 2021, but there are some mistakes found in most of them. And if you have not applied yet, kindly apply it now by following the step-by-step procedure here on the live screen. Okay, so how to apply and what tab actually appears on the screen. So I have explained with the live screen. Okay, so also please share this video to all your friends so that they can also cross check whether they are done correctly or not, or confidently or not. Okay, if you are done very correct, then there is no problem. And during application process, if you have any problems, kindly write it to me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon so that some more parts also I am going to do it, and it will reach to you. Okay, so for clarity explanation only, I am giving you in this easy English only, so every student can understand, every parent can understand. If you still want any modifications in the video, kindly let me know. And at Vijay YouTube channel, we are offering free of cost coaching but quality content in the chemistry, which is useful for cracking you in the JEE Mains 2021. Kindly don't forget to check the description box for the latest video for the crash course of 2021. I think all of you will start the video and share it to your friends so that they can also be benefited. And I hope all of you have already liked this video. If not liked, kindly do it now. Let's start. Okay students, now thank you one and all for giving the overwhelming response to my old video. And this video I will cover everything which I have covered, and problems people are asking during the comments, in the comments, that also I will be clearing, and some new rules and new facilities are being done, so that this video is going to be very helpful for all those students, those who are applied but might have done some mistakes. So if you have already applied, so don't worry, this time there will be some new points I am going to add after going through the recent modifications done. Okay, so now I will start from the basic, and before that in the description box I have made a format, so try to fill up that format, then it will be easy for you to apply it. Okay, so now let's start with the application format. You search in the Google IIT JEE application. Okay, so then if you apply like this, see, the very first you will get JEE Main NTA, National Testing Agency. Otherwise you can check over here JEE Main.NTA.in. Okay, now when you press over here, this type of screen will be appearing. Here in the blue color you will find apply for JEE Main 2021. Okay, then this type of screen will occur. Now see here, there is two types of tabs here, new registration and here only registered candidates. So if you are not applied till now, and then this is the place you have to press. Okay, so now I am doing new registration. This total registration is a total application is going to be in the 4 stages. See, clearly mentioned, apply for online registration. After registration, fill online application form. Third one, upload scanned photo and signature. And fourth one is pay examination fees. So now we are in the first step. Okay, if you have already applied, then you will press over here. What you will write, your application number, that is going to be completely permanent for all the 4 sessions of this 2021, and whatever the password you have created there, and pin like this here, it is 6P9 that you are going to enter here and sign in. Okay, so if you have forgotten application number, then this is also you can do it. Forgot password, then also you can do it, but all these are possible only when you give the proper email ID and mobile number. That's why email ID and mobile number are must be dealt carefully. Okay, now I am starting with the new registration. So if you have already registered, just wait for a 1 or 2 minutes, then I will come back to here. Okay, So for the new registration, if you press over here, then there will be 4 steps mentioned here: registration, application form, image upload, and fee payment. Now you have to press download information bulletin. Okay, then you will get all information. Otherwise, whatever I am telling you, just go through it. See here, total 4 types of fees patterns are there. Okay, and here mentioned is per session. For Indian candidates this is the fees, and for foreigners this is the fees, and most of you are applicable for the fee per session, this one. So again here there are problem here. If you are applying only for BE Tech or only for BArc, only for B planning, then these fees are applicable: 650 for male, 325 for female, and SC/ST 325 whether it is male or female. And for general candidates applying for both BE Tech as well as BArc, okay, then BE Tech as well as B planning, or BArc and B planning. So if you are selecting two exams out of these, then you have to pay. If you are general candidate and male, 1300, female candidate of general and OBC or NCL 650, SC/ST PWD male candidate 650, female candidate transgender. This is the foreigners payment. Okay, and most of the people are getting doubts about this. Should I pay all together? So I suggest you not to pay all together. After every exam, suppose after February session, there will be again window will be open, then you can pay that time. Okay, so try to pay only this time fees. Okay, only first time fees try to pay, even though they have provided the option for refunding. See here, it is clearly mentioned it will be refunded. Okay, it will be refunded by NTA, but don't worry. So try to apply only for the February, and if you are interested only for the BTech, you pay only for BTech. Okay, if you are paying for the BTech and BArc, then it will be a problem. Okay, so then see, and this application format, it should be clearly understood, and then only you will apply. So don't forget to download the form which I have given in the description box. Download it and fill it with the proper, after going through this video, then fill it up again, then you will come back and follow this procedure. Okay, so if you have done many mistakes, just wait, I am going to tell you. So like this, many students have done mistake by paying the extra fees. For them, don't worry, that fees will be refunded. Okay, so you have to make a mail to them in case candidate are not wanted to appear in the session for which fees they have already paid. So it will be refunded by the NTA. For this, you have to make a request during application process of the session, which suppose if you are applying for the, if you don't want to appear in the March, then after the exam of February, you will be given an option for the March. Okay, so better don't pay. Okay, so now fee can be submitted online, and suppose if you are asking cyber cafe or some person to pay the fee, then that refunded fee will be to that account only. That is also main problem people are asking. Okay, so now here before starting the application, you have to check over here. First of all, photo and signature should be in JPG form or JPEG form. Okay, and 80% face should be visible. Okay, and it should be without mask. Okay, next, scanned photography, that is also JPEG form. Okay, so then scanned photograph. Okay, then scanned signature, 4 KB to 30 KB only. Okay, so if your photo is not between the 10 to 200 KB and signature is not between the 10 KB to 30 KB, then scanned copy of category certificate. There is a new notification for this. So many people are not able to provide the category certificate, PWD certificate, EWS certificate and all. Now they have made a provision. That's why this video I have made. So new things are being updated, so that all updated information I am going to give you. So kindly forward this video to all your friends who are studying in your college and who are your classmates, and timely information in the proper format will be helpful to them. Okay, not only prepare for the JEE mains is sufficient, applying it in the proper way is also important. Okay, so this type of scanned copy must be kept. Okay, so this should be in PDF. Scanned copy must be in the PDF form. Scanned copy of category and PWD and EWS must be in PDF form, but signature and photograph must be in JPEG form. Okay, so further, when you create the password, these are the conditions. Password must be above 8 character but below 13 character, and at least one uppercase, okay, and one lower case, and one numeric value, and one special case. Okay, so then if you forgot that your password set, you can ask for the resetting. For the following options are available for using the security question, that also I am going to show you its answer you have chosen during the form filling. Second, using the verification code sent to the message. Your mobile number is very important, so don't forget to give the correct mobile number, and email ID also should be proper one. That's password you should not forget. Okay, so after that, see here, tick here. Understood? Now here application number printed, that this application number is going to be very helpful for every query. You have to mention this application number. Okay, generated confirmation page must be in the method mentioned all correspondence. So for example, you are asking for the fee refund, then you have to mention this application number. Okay, so three things are very important: application number, email ID, and mobile number. Okay, now I am pressing click here to proceed. So now we have started the first part, that is registration. See, candidate name, father's name, mother's name, and don't forget to mention these names as per the all places. The name should be proper. If anywhere anything is missing or not matching, then it is going to create a problem during the counseling session. That effect will not be there now. So during certificate verification of the counseling session, that time it will be a problem. So try to write the candidate's name as per the certificates and keep all certificates in the same name. If you wanted to make any correction, make it now itself. Don't wait for the last moment. Now then, date of birth, gender, and identity type. This is also people are asking. As an identity you can put up PAN card, but as a student you won't have PAN card. So better to keep the school ID card, but mention, don't forget to take that the school ID card name and candidate's name must be same, or passport or any admit card or voter ID, ration card, bank passbook, driving license, or any other government photograph like Aadhaar card. Okay, then that Aadhaar card, suppose, then Aadhaar card number. If you are writing the PAN card, then PAN card number. Okay, so there are two types of address: permanent address, okay, then present address. Okay, see here, first one is present address and permanent address. So better to give the present address, and if you tick it as a same as present address, automatically it will be reflected here. So before starting only try to write the pin code number and know your district, and then choose the password that already I told you. Condition 8 to 13, one numeric, one alphabet, one capital, okay, and one special character. This security question, this is used for the resetting your password. Otherwise, if you are not able to remember security question also, no problem, that message through the mobile option will be there, but mobile number should be available with you. Then security pin, whatever the represented here. Okay, so this is for those candidates who are applying for the first time. Now we are going to see whatever the corrections, if you wanted to make, how to make it. Okay, so let's start.